Today we'll understand count functions in Excel. Here is we have one database of students, their class section name, their subject, math and English, and their scores out of 10. So let's try with count function. Count, we will give the range. This range we can give English or math, whatever. We'll try with English. So system is calculating formula and it is showing 12, so means these two plus 10. These cells contain numbers, so system is counting it is 12. So actually it is 12. In total it is 13 cells, but one is missing, nothing there, so system is counting 12. Let's try with count A. Count A will give same range for understanding purpose and close. Again system is counting that 12 number because these are the non-empty cells, means these contains value. For example, if we type 0 here, so it become number also, and system is counting that also. If we'll type instead of 0 we'll type A, system will still count the non-empty cell, means yes, all cells contain data, all 13 cells contain data, and then you can see here 13. But in count function it is showing 12. Why? Because it is just counting the numbers, not counting the alphabetic A, B, C or whatever written in the cell. So this is the difference, main difference between these two formula. Count will count the numbers including 0, but count A will count the cells that are not empty. Whatever data is there, it will simply count those. And the next is count blank. Count the purpose is count the number of empty cells in specified range of cells. If you see here, system is saying there is no empty cell, no blank cell. Whatever is there, like a number, alphabet, ABC, 0, 1, 2, 3, whatever is there, it is considering there is some value, some data is there, so it is not counting as 0. If we will delete A, so system is showing 1. If we will delete any number, it will show 2. So this is the count blank function, that is just counting the blank cell. Let's try COUNTIF function. COUNTIF function. It is asking the range. We need to give range of the data where we want to apply the formula, and then we will give the criteria. Criteria will be, for example, let's say a student who have marks score 5 or more. We'll type quotation marks and then we'll write our formula, greater than equal to 5 quotation mark and close the bracket. So 7, formula is saying there are 7 students who have 5 or more than 5 numbers or score 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check the range. COUNTIF, it is greater than equal to 5. If you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 students have marks more than 5. So that's why system is counting 7 students have marks more than 5. And then the next function is COUNTIFS function. Let's try this also. COUNTIFS. Here you can specify 2 different criteria. Criteria 1, criteria 2 for the range 1 and range 2. What is our criteria? Criteria range means we need to specify the range of data where we want to apply the formula. For example, if we want to see in both cases the student who have 5 or more marks in math and in English, how many students there, how many records there. Let's specify math row first, column first, and then we'll specify our criteria. Criteria is same like how we gave in previous formula. Greater than equal to 5, our criteria close, and then criteria range to English all. Then we'll specify our criteria for English greater than equal to 5, close. So COUNTIF, by applying 2 criteria, system is counting 4 records who have 5 marks here and then 5 marks in English. Let's try. If you see here 8.5, it is more than 5 and then it is equal to 5, so 1 record. And then 7, it is matching first criteria but it is not matching second criteria. And then third, it is matching first criteria greater than 5 or equal to 5, and second also matching criteria, so 2 records. And then 4, it is not matching first criteria, so it is not moving to second criteria. And 9, it is more than 5 or equal to 5, obviously it is more than 5, so in second cell, in second column also in English, student have more than 5 score, so third record. And 5.5, it is okay, matching first criteria, but second subject English is not matching the criteria. Same case here, first is not matching, second also not matching. In this case, first is matching and second is also matching, so this is the 4th record. And the next one, last one, this first is not matching but second is matching, but this formula is applying the 2 criteria same time. So first is not matching, so it will not move to, it will not count the second criteria cell. So here you can see 4 records, and we can also see here 4 records, that what we specify the formula here. Thanks for watching.